In the business world today, it's tough to know whether or not you have made the best infrastructure decision for your business. L7 Solutions tries to make those difficult decisions easier by building a strong cybersecurity front line to protect your business and implementing applications that work with you, not against you, and still provide the security that matters so much in today's cyber-driven world. Let's listen to the experience of one business owner who made the switch from Google Workspace to Microsoft Office 365.
We recently had an unexpected transition from Google Workspace to Microsoft 365. It was a decision I had to make as the owner of a digital marketing agency with a wealth of experience in this realm. Initially, I hesitated to make the switch due to the perception that Microsoft's suite was more complex. However, a series of recent enhancements made by Microsoft led me to reconsider. Realizing that I was shelling out for additional services that Google Workspace couldn't seamlessly integrate made it clear that I needed a more cohesive solution. When evaluating the costs of both Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, I discovered some eye-opening facts. I was already paying for essential Microsoft applications, which illuminated the fact that I had multiple subscriptions outside of Google Workspace that Microsoft 365 could potentially replace. With this realization, I recognized a unique opportunity for cost savings and improved efficiency. A side-by-side comparison revealed that both platforms provided similar pricing structures and features, including vital tools like email and cloud storage, making the move more appealing from a financial standpoint. When it came to the storage options and user experience, I found that Google Workspace plans range from $6 to $22 a month, with the lower tiers offering limited storage capabilities. My previous experience with an enterprise plan granted me unlimited storage through Google Drive, but as my data volume grew, I soon faced slow performance issues. In contrast, Microsoft 365 offers 1 terabyte of storage per user in its small business plans, addressing the storage limitations of Google Workspace. While I found Google Workspace to be more user-friendly initially, the robust features of Microsoft 365 caught my attention, even if they require a slightly steeper learning curve for small businesses. Another key advantage of Microsoft is its software offerings, particularly Microsoft Word and Excel. In my line of work, the downloadable versions provide a wealth of features that far surpass the cloud versions. Though I was initially reluctant to leave Gmail, I was pleasantly surprised by the significant improvements in Outlook. It has evolved into a competitive email client, shaking off its outdated reputation. The enhanced interface fosters a more enjoyable user experience, putting it on par with leading third-party applications like Spark. I am impressed by the advancements in Microsoft Teams, particularly its integration with various communication tools. While I find Google Meet effective for video conferencing, Teams is becoming more versatile. OneDrive and SharePoint also enhance the Microsoft 365 experience with robust storage solutions. I still prefer certain Google features, like Google Photos for its organization and facial recognition. However, Microsoft 365 consolidates multiple subscriptions into one platform, saving time and resources while providing essential tools. Microsoft is proactively developing valuable business utilities, unlike the stagnation I see in Google's offerings.
And there you have it, Microsoft Office 365 to the rescue again. L7 Solutions specializes in implementing Office 365 platforms in the most secure and relevant way for your business. We pride ourselves on being an MSP that grows with your business and focuses on keeping you secure, compliant, and on the leading edge of technology. To learn more, you can visit us at l7solutions.com or follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube, where you will hear our cybersecurity and cloud computing tips for small businesses on Cyber Business Today. And as always, for that personal touch, please don't hesitate to contact our solutions manager at 954-573-1300